So how do you like the snow?
Good.
Good? Big snow, huh?
You're making a video of me.
I'm making a video of my work in the snow. That's what I've left to go, is to uncover the car. I was able to get the snowblower out, finish the driveway.
Could you please make the sled jump?
Make the sled jump? Can you let Daddy rest a little bit?
No,
Haha.
because you might be cold.
I might be cold.
Uh-huh.
I have all this jacket and stuff on. I have big snow pants, a hat.
Can I go say hi to Dave?
Yeah.
Oh, you were right. I had to go in the back like that.
My ramp d'excellence. Already knocked the wind out of Raven. Raven 2.